Hey guys, Chris here with CGM Auto Brokers, and I've got a beautiful 2008 Fleetwood Pace Arrow 38P Class A motorhome. This has the Ford V10 Triton engine in it, Alcoa aluminum wheels, tires are in very good condition. Date code is a couple of years old, I think 21 or 22, but they are in excellent condition, no dry rot or anything like that. Full body paint, guys. Onboard generators, you can hear, is actually running right now. Runs like a sewing machine. 3 slide outs, guys. No leaks, no soft spots. That bike rack in the back, if you want it, you get to keep it. You don't want it, we'll remove it for you. Roof access. Plenty of storage out here, guys. Please excuse, it's a very windy day out here today. Look at all this storage down here. 38P power platform. What I like about this one, it actually has a driver door as well. Power steps when you walk in. Let's go ahead and check this out. So there's a overhead television with more storage. All of your controls right here. This is a very easy unit to use. Backup camera, 79,820 miles. All of your controls there as well. Again, driver side door with power windows, power mirrors. They're heated mirrors as well, guys. And you've got the shade. You got fans up there as well. Let's spin around and check out the living area. So this couch right here turns into a sleeper. This couch also turns into a sleeper. As you can see, the upholstery is in very good condition. Horseshoe style dinette. There is storage underneath. The table will drop down, and that also becomes a sleeper. Plenty of counter space. Beautiful kitchen. Stainless steel GE profile microwave. Got a 3-burner stove under here. Double bin sink. Everything's been tested, guys. Water pump, water heater, dual rooftop AC. Those are working perfectly fine, cooling down great right now. Again, the onboard generator is running. It's got new house batteries and a new engine battery as well. Another flat screen television here, so that makes for 2. So we're going to come through here. We got a pocket sliding door right here for privacy. But when we walk in, we've got another stainless steel sink. Handsome devil right there. Glass enclosed shower, and then our commode room. You got a fan in the commode room. You got another fan here as well. Awesome option right here is a combo unit washer and dryer with plenty of storage space up here as well, guys. This thing is chock full of storage. You've got a Sleep Number mattress over here, another slide out in the bedroom with more storage up top. Plenty of lighting all the way around. Another flat screen television over here. All of that storage down below. 2 massive closets on either side with lights. Plenty of closet space, plenty of storage space. There's more storage underneath the bed as well, guys. So don't miss out. My name is Chris. We are CGM Auto Brokers. We are located in Monroe, North Carolina. If you guys are interested, give me a call. 704-620-8388. 704-620-8388. Visit us online as well, www.cgmautobrokers.com. And we are located at 4708 West Highway 74 in Monroe, North Carolina, 28110. Guys, we also could help with financing, and we also offer transport and delivery service as well. So if you guys need some financing, hit me up. We work with some great banks and lenders. Most importantly, guys, if you like these videos, do me a favor. Please like, please subscribe, leave a comment, send it to your friends that you know is looking for a unit like this. If you have any questions, you can feel free to call me or leave them here. But most importantly, you guys, remember, Jesus loves you. Thanks for watching, guys. God bless.